What's up, MCA? We're back with another Life Skills of the Month. I'm here with Robin, Joey, and Matt, and it is National Sandwich Day, so we're going to be making some sandwiches.
Choose a base for your sandwich. Place one slice of bread on a plate.
Okay.
Step 2. Pick a spread using butter knife. Apply to one slice of your bread. You also can leave your bread dry and move on to the next step.
Matt picked some Dijon mustard because he doesn't like mayo.
I don't.
Step 3. Choose 1 or 2 protein foods to place on top of your spread or base of your sandwich.
Add your favorite cheese, American cheese. 5. Pile on veggies, lettuce, tomatoes, red onions. 6. Place the remaining slice of bread on top and enjoy.
Thank you. Take a bite.
Good.
Thank you, Robin and Joey, for teaching us how to make sandwiches.
Sandwiches are easy to make and can serve as a quick meal for you or your family any time of day.
That's a wrap on our sandwich making. Come back next month to see what life skills next.